Do you struggle with high protein meals? Does consuming large amount of protein cause indigestion, heartburn, gas, bloating, the feeling of having a rock in your stomach? If so, that doesn't necessarily mean you should avoid protein. It means you may have an issue with stomach production of hydrochloric acid, which is a major step in the protein digestion process. Today I'm going to show you how to remedy that. I'm Dr. John Bartemus, and I'm putting the pieces together to help you live a life at optimal. If a high protein meal causes that feeling of rock in your stomach or gas bloating, then you may have poor production of hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid is a major component of digestion protein, and the majority of protein digestion occurs in the stomach. So if this part of the process is suboptimal for you, you're going to have potentially symptoms of reflux, gas, bloating, feeling of rock in the stomach. What contributes to this occurring? Well, hydrochloric acid is made by the parietal cells of the stomach. So anything that damages the parietal cells could result in these symptoms. Things that damage the parietal cells are a Helicobacter pylori or H. pylori infection, an autoimmune process against the parietal cells, poor thyroid function, and multiple other things. So those would be areas that you would want to investigate to determine why your protein digestion is suboptimal. It's also important to know that if you are 50 years or older and you notice these issues with protein digestion, there is a normal physiologic decline in our hydrochloric acid production as we age. So supplementing with hydrochloric acid will probably be of benefit for you if you are age 50 plus, or if you're younger than that but struggling with these issues. Now, the supplementation is not a cure-all or addressing the cause. It's a therapy or a band-aid while you're trying to discover, hey, is it suboptimal thyroid? Is it H. pylori? Is it autoimmune, et cetera, et cetera. What product do I like? Well, I use this when I have a high protein meal that's higher than normal. For example, tonight my wife and I went out for a date and I had a meal that combined filet medallions and shrimp, so lots of protein. So pure encapsulations, betaine HCl and pepsin is a great product to support your protein digestion during those high protein meals that are higher than normal, or if you struggle with the symptoms mentioned in this video. Again, this is just a band-aid or a supportive product to assist you in the digestion process. If you're struggling with these symptoms, then you need to look for the cause, the H. pylori, the autoimmunity, the thyroid dysfunction, etc. Work with a functional medicine practitioner to figure out your cause.